So for today's video, for today's activity, you want to sort all the cards into three categories. You want all the cards with positive solutions to be sorted or clipped with this card. All the cards with negative solutions get clipped with this card, and then all the ones that are 0, you clip with this last card. So for example, looking at this one, negative 14 plus 14, negative 14 and 14, those are 0 pairs, which means when you combine them, the solution is 0. So I know that that card will get clipped here because the solution is going to be 0. And when I say combine, I mean add. I mean plus. Combine means put together or add. Okay, this one, for example, 45 minus 190. I know if I start at 45 on the number line and I go 190 steps in the negative direction, I'm definitely going to get a negative answer. So I would clip that card here. And then one more example. This one, right, if I have negative and negative together like that next to each other, it's the same as 12 plus 14. So that one I know is going to have a positive solution. I can clip that here. And then you would clip all of them into one of these three categories. So like, for example, this one, 14 and negative 14, those are 0 pairs. That one gets clipped here. Okay, negative minus negative, that's going to be negative solution. I clip it here. This one's going to be positive solution. 12 minus 8 is positive. So I clip that here, and so on.